Yo, what's up guys? It's your boy George coming at you with another YouTube video. Today we're gonna do a vlog style video. It's gonna be me, Jayden and Dimitri. We're gonna go down the wash spot and help Jayden deep clean his car. Since he's bought his car, he hasn't had like a chance to really deep clean it because it's been winter and like the days that it is nice, it's like followed by a bunch of rain, so it wouldn't make sense. But today we're all off, our schedules line up. It's beautiful weather, so we're just gonna go and deep clean, and I'm just gonna take you guys along for it. Jayden and Dimitri are also recording their perspective of the day, so we don't know if we're gonna make any tutorials on like how-tos aside from the vlog and stuff like that, but just to start off the day, we're gonna go to the storage unit, grab the materials that we need. If we don't have anything that we're missing, because it's been a while since we've washed anything that we're missing, we're gonna run down to AutoZone and get and yeah, just stay tuned. Yo, don't leave it running. She dirty. The grills. This shit is crispy.
I walk through there feeling like ass fucks and shit. Pop a pill.
This nigga said pop
Pop
up
a
the
pill. I drive, bro.
I'm like sick. Yo, this shot is fire.
He did such a bad job the first time. The barbershop on
Yo, so these are the things that we're gonna grab. We got the 2 stools, Coleman's, you already know. I got this, I don't remember where I got. Oh yeah, on Amazon. It's an Adams polish bag. Got the duster, got brushes in here, engine detailer, got interior detailer, got some leather conditioner. This is a deodorizer. This is for the glass, some silicone, some chrome, some black polish and some chrome polish, and then a drill with the you know, bits and things to do all of that stuff. That shit is clean. The elbow?
You looking for?
Real tire cleaner. Yo, I might try this. It's real ceramic.
Oh, right there.
Where you see? Oh, the heavy duty cleaner. I might buy 2 of these. Yo, get a basket, bro. Yo, so we about to get some food at this pizza spot called Prospect Pizza on Flatbush Ave at Rutland Road. So, feel me? Gotta eat before we start working and shit. Gotta start off with the 2 corners. And then I got buffalo wings on the way too. So this is his car. We sprayed down the rims a little bit with water so that way we could start the process. But yeah, as you can see, it's really this shit is really filthy, bro. Like, look at this. He's recorded. Dirty, bro, dirty. Look at the brake calipers. Inside is not that bad. We're gonna do that separately after we wash it. But yeah. Oh, you're not making your content, bro? Like, come on, bro. Just be like, yo, bro, what's up? Da da da. This is, you know, whatever your name on YouTube is. Like, coming at you with a video, da da da. Like, and then just explain, bro. This is his first video, by the way. So I'm gonna put his link in the bio. You already know. I'm gonna put his link in the bio. My boy making moves.
Hey, now you make one video. Watch my boy.
Bro, don't record it like that.
It's a habit, bro.
Don't do it like that, because when you put it, when you upload it, it's gonna look mad skinny. Yeah. You gotta hold it sideways at all times, bro.
This nigga doing worse than me, bro.
It's been a minute. It's been a minute. Wheelmaster right here, yo. You give him the grills and the brush.
Give him the grills, give him the good treatment, bro.
It's working. She looking crazy, but yeah. Usually when you wash cars, you want to start with cleaning the rim and tire first before you do anything else.
You over here. I thought we all gonna do it well.
Yeah. You know that's not my shit.
Man, let me get up in there, man.
Oh, damn. It's getting there. It's getting there. It's not gonna be perfect. He's still gonna have to go get it professionally detailed, unless we like, you know, where to have like a spot where it's like, yeah. So it's like a matter of like, we have to bring out the jack one of these days, bring it over here, take the rims off, or take a pump, use a pump and clean the water. But yeah, she's looking a lot nicer though, a lot cleaner. I'll say that. Yeah, we got the real master, but like these are like, you know, they've been sitting because the winter and shit, so we really actually have to take them off and like actually get to it. Same thing for the caliper, you feel me? The caliper is black, it's supposed to be silver. Yo, you peeped? His calipers are black, but they're supposed to be silver. They're supposed to be the same color as the rim. Yeah, so we definitely one of these days have to take his rim, yeah, and like really clean that shit. Winter in New York is brutal, bro, especially when you're not able to properly clean it. This machine, like these machines, when it's winter, the pipes freeze up, or like the owners will stop allowing services because, you know, they don't want like the floor to be like frozen over and stuff. Let me zoom out real quick. But yeah, we're doing a pretty good job. Thumbnail. But yeah, so we're just gonna keep hammering at it, editing clips, you feel me? Content Friday at 3 p.m. If you're watching this, it's probably after a Friday on 3 p.m. Every Friday at 3 p.m. Comment that guarantee. You feel me? But yeah.
See, like, you got the gimbal in the tripod.
So it makes it easier to keep, yeah.
I'm trying to work and you hold this in my hand.
Yeah, I feel you. But yeah. They got the seats going.
I showed you a gimbal on Amazon, but you said I wasn't meant though.
Nah, not that one was the lighter one. It's like, it's not made for these phones. Boy, Jayden here. Getting at the money. You gotta get in there, bro. You gotta get really in there. Let's see what 5 look like. Ooh. Look at this nigga's lips. Ah. Well, I'm on 5 right now looking at the crispiness. This shit is crispy. 60. Oh, this shit look like a documentary, bro.
Documentary?
The documentary.
Nigga said documentary.
Fuck yeah, nigga. Fuck yeah. With the content, bro. With the content, bro. Make the fucking content.
Over 35 miles per hour, anywhere you gotta take it. That's what I'm telling y'all, man. City not it.
Yeah, it is fake. This nigga, bro. They vandalizing my shit right now, bro. It is, but then you gotta do the front one too with 20 seconds left. Bro, you about to give me OCD,
That
bro.
shit
You
like
know,
electrical tape,
bro.
Yo, pull the car up over there. Give it a rev.
just be wet, bro. More.
Nah, give it a rev. You can hear the turbo a little bit, but you need a little exhaust, bro. Yeah, and an intake would make the exhaust, the turbo sound a lot better. Yo, what's up, guys? It's your boy George. I'm just filming this real quick because I know I look different, shaved and all that other stuff, haircut. But I just wanted to let you guys know that I really do appreciate you guys watching the content. If you guys like what you saw, feel free to drop a like, comment, and subscribe. Turn your notifications on. Go down into the comments or into the description. Check out Jayden's channel. Check out Dimitri's channel. Let us know what you guys want to see, what you guys think, and you know what we can improve on. Stay tuned till next Friday at 3, and we'll catch you then, guys.